Picture. Where's it at?
Bro, I can't take
what picture?
Of my balls, dude.
Oh yeah, exactly, bitch.
Click,
exactly,
click,
bitch.
click, photo,
you can't
photo.
take picture with the eyeballs.
Hey, Ricardo,
exactly,
step out.
bitch. You are fucking taking shit.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a fucking fact. He was a driver.
Drive the car.
Outflushes 5-6.
A New Mexico man is facing charges after police say he rammed into an Albuquerque Police Department vehicle while intoxicated and fled the scene. While fleeing, he crashed into another vehicle head-on. He fled the scene, and a police helicopter was able to track him to a bush.
Get out of the car!
Clean, southbound. 4th Street from Copper. There are two off the air, 45, Locust,
Oh,
sled.
shit.
It was
Let's
one
go.
head on. It's underneath I-25. We have the driver out now. Let it over.
Right there. He's right there. What?
Might be the driver.
Okay.
He's not the driver. The other guy.
I'm not the fucking driver!
Turn left there. Stop about where that vehicle is. Stop there. You're gonna have to walk on the ground.
Makes no sense.
There's no bridge on the off ramp, right?
You guys check the other side.
Is he up here?
Okay, we have him. He's in the bush. Officers that are coming up towards Scarborough, yeah, to your car. Hey, police, look to your head! Look to your head! In the bush, between you and that. Down still a little bit from you, and that's it.
Drag him out.
They are talking to them now.
241 in custody. Right there.
Put your fucking hands up, shit.
When it comes to infinite, yeah?
10-4.
Get up.
Try to walk. Stand up.
You good?
Stand up. You don't want to stand up, bro? I'll fucking make you stand
Oh, shit.
You guys okay?
Yeah, we're good. Are you good, Luis?
Huh?
Are you good?
Oh, fucking man, bro.
What'd he do?
You fucking around the P2s.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Shut the fuck
Shut
up.
the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. No one's talking to you. What the fuck you gonna do? Fucking
Shut the fuck up. Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. Do something about it. What are you guys gonna do?
We ain't done just yet. These are one of the units to go to the east side of the bridge and close down all traffic, where they work places.
Hey, you think he's 47? There's a state 47 unit down there.
Yeah, he's 47.
That would be
Henry 224 to DT22. Is that state or 147? Is that stater over there 147?
What did I do wrong?
What's up, Schmitty?
You okay?
Yeah.
What did you say, man?
Tough one.
You can either put on the call that can go to the east side of the bridge to close down traffic.
Acting like a fucking child in the car.
Fucking guys.
Oh my shit, bro.
You okay?
Yeah.
You okay, Andre? Nice.
Where'd you come from, Lena? No more contact going off.
Been out and about, trying to.
I have rights. Stop banging on my fucking car and you want to
Fuck
press.
your car. I have rights. You're gonna fucking take me. I don't give a fuck.
Well, I can't take you anywhere until you ID yourself. What's your name?
You're fucking taking me.
What's your name?
Fuck you. Tell me the name of the officer I assaulted supposedly.
No.
Because I didn't fucking assault nobody. I need help, and you're not giving it to me.
What's wrong with you?
I need help. That's what's wrong with me.
What's wrong with you?
I need help.
What's
That's
your medical
wrong with me.
What's your medical
I
complaint?
need help. That's what's wrong with me. And you're not giving it to me. I need help.
Yes, I saw everything.
What happened?
So we're in this lane right here. Our Uber, so me and the guy with the pompadour over there, we were the Uber passengers.
If they can just come to the scene, sorry. And I'll deploy them from here. Go ahead, sorry.
So me and the guy with the pompadour, we are the passengers in the Uber that was being driven by the guy, and we were on the right. So the driver was in the right-hand lane over here, heading westbound. I noticed him slam on his brakes, like right back over there, well above the fucking red light. That truck was going this way, clipped us, flipped that way. Our driver stopped the car. I looked and I saw there were two guys. There were two guys running out of the car. One of them, which was clearly the driver, because I could tell he came on the other side of the truck. He ran that way. He was hobbling. I didn't know. It's fucking Albuquerque.
Yeah.
I don't know if this asshole had a gun or anything like that. I thought about chasing him down, but just let him go. Someone from the passenger side, the one who was sequestered right on the floor there, he was not the driver. He was not the driver. I know initially the cops thought that he was the driver. He was not the driver.
This guy right here?
Yes, the one that they took down right over there with the head injury, he was not the driver. I saw it. The other guy, I saw him run that way. I let him go. Me and Mr. Pompadour over here, we made sure that this guy over here was okay. The cops came, and then the rest of you guys came.
Okay. Did you see the driver?
I saw I saw the driver. I could not identify him. He was hobbling, running that way.
Okay.
So,
All right. Do you have
not identify him.
Do you have an ID on you, sir? Can you just tell me what happened?
Yeah, it happened faster than fuck. We're in the Uber, we're pulling here, and then everyone's like, "Oh shit!" And the truck was coming right at us, swerved, and just crashed. Yeah.
Okay.
We're parked right here at this red light.
Okay. Did you see the driver?
I didn't, man. I can't
Okay.
tell you I did.
All right.
I can't tell. I can tell you that I saw a guy running from the vehicle, and it wasn't the dude that was lying here.
Okay.
That dude was the passenger.
And it wasn't this dude.
He was the fucking passenger.
Okay. Alrighty.
I never saw the driver. I could tell you he took off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Do you have an ID on you, sir?
I do, brother. Yeah.
You guys brought me to the hospital to try to fucking trick me. Fuck you, I need my truck. The fuck you think? Fuck you guys. Oh yeah, he's the fucking driver. Fuck you. You're no shit, bitch.
Hey, Kyle, can you help us with the press? Huh? Can you help us with the press and headgear on?
You guys don't want to fucking help me? You just want
We're here to fucking help you.
You ain't helping me?
Can you fucking come
you
down?
want to fucking say, oh, I need
Chill.
your fucking,
Chill.
fucking, I need your statement. He wants to fucking talk shit. Oh yeah, he's a driver. Fuck you. I was looking for my car. I wasn't driving shit. Bitch. You want to say, oh yeah, he's a driver? Fuck you.
You were a driver, bro. I saw you.
Bitch, I wasn't driving shit.
That's
Prove it.
I saw you. My
Prove
two
it.
eyes, bro.
Where? Show me.
Buddy right now.
Show me.
Yeah.
Your buddy said you were the driver.
Fucking sister on you anyway.
What buddy?
What the fuck does it matter?
I wasn't with
Boy
nobody.
in the fucking truck.
I wasn't with nobody. Show me the picture.
Can you sit down?
Show me the picture. Where's it
Pictures,
at?
bro. I can't take
What
pictures of
picture?
my fucking eyeballs, dude.
Oh yeah, exactly,
My fucking
bitch.
click,
Exactly,
click, click,
bitch.
click, photo,
You can't
photo.
take picture with the eyeballs.
Hey, Ricardo,
Exactly,
step out.
bitch. You aren't fucking taking shit.
fucking
Oh
think I'm a
yeah,
robot?
it's a fucking fact. He was a driver. Fuck you.
Get out of the car and put all this
I was a fucking driver. Fuck you. I wasn't driving shit, bitch. I wasn't fucking
Kneel down right here.
on my knees. I ain't getting on shit.
Kneel down on your
Walking
knees.
straight in this fucking.
Nope. Kneel down right here. We're gonna put this on
I
you.
ain't getting down nowhere. Make me get down.
You're gonna get taken to the ground, bro. Just fucking kneel down. Grab that. Double knock that for me. Undo the leg.
Yes, important.
PD, who are you trying to reach?
Yes,
Oh, walking time.
Wait for that.
Oh, you think I'm gonna defy you guys? The fuck? I'm not dumb like this motherfucker. Yeah, I was driving. Shit.
Turn this way.
Fuck, I wasn't driving shit. Ah, my bad. That's fucking hurting me. What are you putting down on me? I'm not speeding.
That's not
That's
spit.
for speeding.
That's not for spitting.
That's for speeding. That's for speeding. I'm not speeding on you guys. I'm not fucking speeding. I'm claustrophobic. Stop. You guys are hurting me. Oh, shit, you put some shit on. You're fucking hurting me.
Did I have it in?
No.
Why are you guys doing this?
I don't know how to act.
What do you mean?
Stand up.
I don't know how to act. I didn't fucking do shit. I'm not resisting. I'm just talking shit. You guys are little bitches and you can't fucking handle it. Little pussy. Fucking tell me that fucking Joe. Fuck you.
Put your feet here.
What did you see? Show me the picture.
We got cameras, bro. We got witnesses.
Show me then.
We have a fucking
Show me then.
helicopter.
I'll call my lawyer. Fuck you.
Okay.
Show me.
Call your lawyer.
Show me,
You'll see when you go to court.
Show me.
Yeah, you're
Fucking little pussy.
I'm gonna ask for a supervisor.
Shit, what's that gonna do? I just gotta stand up. Fuck you. What's that?
All right, just let him walk. Just let him walk. Just let him walk. You can walk. Stand
Yeah,
up.
I'll fucking walk. Fuck you guys. I didn't fucking do shit. Fucking Tommy, you see me? You didn't fucking see a goddamn thing, bitch. Where's your fucking proof? I'll call my lawyer in the morning, bitch. Fucking little pussy.
You can take a seat right here.
Cops. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm sitting straight up. What do you mean? I'm sitting down. Fuck you. I'm sitting up. The fuck? You don't fucking push me back, little bitch. Fuck you.
Tell what's his name.
Tell me.
Call what's his name and tell him to come on scene.
Pussies.
What's this?
Whatever the fuck his name is.
Sergeant?
Yeah.
Bitch, because you can't control me. Little fucking bitch. Fuck you. You're little fucking pussies. You didn't see shit.
The man is facing felony charges from fleeing police and driving while intoxicated. His trial is pending.